Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about the top essential oils for snoring. We're going to talk about each essential oil, its benefits, and how it can help in reducing snoring as well and tackling this issue. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I highly recommend you to subscribe for daily videos such as these in the health and wellness topic. So snoring can be a frustrating and disruptive problem for both the person who snores and their partner as well. However, there are natural remedies that can help to get rid of this issue, including the use of essential oils. Now, I have a full playlist here on the channel about essential oils, so if you're interested in seeing the full videos relating to the use and the safety of essential oils, then you can access the playlist link below in the description under this video. So in this video today, we are going to explore the benefits of two top essential oils that have been shown to be effective in reducing snoring. And the essential oils that we're referring to in today's video is peppermint and eucalyptus. And both of these oils have a couple of things in common. They're astringent, they are a great essential oil that is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory as well. So peppermint essential oil is known for its refreshing and beautiful properties. It's also a natural decongestant, making an excellent choice for those who snore as a result of nasal congestion. What it does is it helps as a remedy for snoring. So it can be added to a diffuser and you can inhale it before bed, or it can be added to a carrier oil and massaged on the chest and on the throat area. Now please be careful if you are using essential oils. Even when you are applying it with a carrier oil, please do a patch test about 24 hours before to see if you are allergic to any essential oil, and if any redness occurs within that 24-hour period, then you know that you're allergic and it's best to avoid. The second oil to use for snoring is eucalyptus essential oil, and this is a great option for those who snore because of nasal congestion, and it can be used as a natural decongestant because it has wonderful decongestant properties, and it can also help to open up the nasal passages, and this is exactly what you need here, because opening up the nasal passages will make it easier to breathe. So like peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil can be added to a diffuser or massaged onto the chest and the throat area. Also, make sure to use it with a carrier oil. Never ever apply essential oils directly on the skin. It's really important before we end this video to note that these oils may help with snoring. They should not be used as a substitute for seeking medical advice if you do snore loudly, excessively, regularly as well. Additionally, it's also important to use high quality pure essential oils and follow the proper dilution guidelines in order to avoid any sort of skin irritation or adverse side effects. And I do outline the side effects for the essential oils in the essential oil playlist link below the video. So in order to boost the effectiveness of these oils, and I do apologize if there's any sort of background noise in this video, in order to boost the effectiveness of these oils, you could try to use them in combination with other natural remedies, such as, let's say, elevating the head of your bed. Also, sleeping on your side will also help with reducing snoring. Additionally, lifestyle changes such as losing weight, avoiding alcohol, avoiding sedatives before bed also are known to help in reducing snoring. Before we end the video, I'd like to remind you that peppermint and eucalyptus essential oils are a natural and effective way to get rid of snoring. These oils can be easily incorporated into your bedtime routine and also provide relief for both the people who snore and their partner as well. It's always important to consult your doctor before using any sort of natural remedies. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.